Today we are going to discuss about the Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India Limited, its performance, functions and objectives. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India Limited, it is one of the important development banks in India and plays an important role in the development banking sector of India. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India was registered as a private limited company in 1955. It was formed in 1955 at the initiative of World Bank, the Government of India and the representative of Indian industry. That is, Icici was an initiative of the World Bank, Government of India and the representatives of the Indian industry. The principal objective of ICICI was to create development financial institutions for providing medium-term and long-term project financing to Indian business. The basic objective was to create a development financial institution for providing medium-term and long-term project financing to Indian businesses. It was set up as a private sector development bank to assist and promote private industrial concern in the country. And that is, it was started in 1955. World Bank, Government of India and the representative of Indian industries were the main architect of this development bank, and the major objective was to provide the medium-term and long-term project financing to Indian business. ICICI Bank is India's largest private sector bank by consolidated asset, and the bank's consolidated total assets stood at $156.8 billion as on 30 September 2017. The banks and their subsidiaries offer a wide range of banking and financial services, including commercial banking, retail banking, project and corporate finance, working capital finance, insurance, venture capital, and private equity investment, banking, broking, treasury, and treasury products and services. They offer through a variety of delivery channels and through their specialized subsidiaries in the areas of investment banking, life and non-life insurance ventures, capital and asset management. That is, they offer a wide range of services to the people through specialized channels. ICICI Bank had a network of 4,856 branches and 13,792 ATMs as on 30 September 2017. ICICI Bank is present across 17 countries including India. The bank's equity shares are listed in India on Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange of India Limited, and their American depository receipts are listed on the New York Stock Exchange. That is, ICICI Bank is the first Indian bank listed on New York Stock Exchange. The ICICI Bank Limited was incorporated in the year 1994 as a part of ICICI Group with the name ICICI Banking Corporation Limited. That is, ICICI Bank Limited was incorporated in 1994. The initial equity capital was owned 75% by the ICICI and 25% by the ICICI Limited, a diversified financing and shipping finance lender of which IC owned 19.9 at December 1996. And after that, Shipping Corporation of India, Shipping Credit and Investment Corporation of India into ICICI Bank became the wholly owned subsidiary of ICICI. In September 10, 1999, the name of the bank was changed from ICICI Banking Corporation Limited to ICICI Bank Limited. In March 10, 2001, ICICI Bank acquired the Madura Bank, an old private sector bank. ICICI Limited, along with their wholly owned retail finance subsidiaries, namely ICICI Capital Service Limited and ICICI Personal Finance Service Limited, amalgamated with the bank with effects from May 3, 2002. Major objectives of the ICICI was to assist in the creation, expansion, modernization of private concern. Second one, to encourage the participation of internal and external capital in the private concern. Third one, to encourage private ownership in the industrial investment. These are the basic objectives of ICICI. The major functions of ICICI are to provide long-term and medium-term loans in rupees and foreign currencies, to the industrial concerns, participate in the equity capital of the industrial concerns. It underwrites new issues of shares and debentures. Another function is it guarantees loans raised by the private concerns from other sources. It provides technical, managerial and administrative assistance to the industrial concerns. The financial assistance as provided by the ICICI include rupee loans, foreign currency loans, guarantees, underwriting shares, debentures, direct subscription to shares and debentures, etc. The ICICI was established to provide financial assistance to industrials concerned in the private sector, but recently its scope has been widened by including industrial concerns in the public, joint and corporate sector. ICICI has been providing special attention to financing riskier and non-traditional industries such as chemical, petrochemical, heavy engineering and metal products. The ICICI has also been providing assistance to small-scale industries and the projects in backward areas. Another function is ICICI has recently actively participated in conducting surveys to examine industrial potentials in various states. Since 1983, the ICICI has been providing leasing assistance for computerization, modernization, replacement schemes for energy conservators, for export orientation, for pollution control and balancing and expansion, etc. These are the important functions of ICICI, that is, they are actively participating in industrial financing as well as provide assistance, various other assistance to small scale and projects in backward areas, other leasing assistance to the companies, and then underwriting of shares, then rupee loans, direct subscription of shares, etc. to the industrial concerns. These are the important functions of ICICI. Yes.